I used to reach for a drink when anxiety hit. Now I reach for this. Most people I talk to think change takes years. It doesn't. You can feel real relief without putting anything in your body in seconds. Let's do it. Strum with me, nice and easy. G chord. If you get antsy or restless, just add a finger. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm not here to lecture you about giving up your vices. I'm not qualified to run your life. I'm just a guy who spent years dealing with trauma, anxiety, way too much stress, and that feeling of something really bad is going to happen all the time. And finally, I found a better way to cope. Try it with me. This time we're going to breathe and we're going to strum, but we're going to do it a little bit more intentionally. Breathe in. Strum down while breathing out. Hold it for a second and try it again, like this. Oh, don't you worry. It gets way more interesting. This tiny activity right here is your anchor for calm. Don't overthink it. We are masters of talking ourselves out of doing anything. Just play along. Here's the part that surprised me. This gave me the same release I used to chase in all the wrong ways. Except it's a little cleaner, clearer, and if I'm being honest, it's better. Because the calm version of you is the real you. The anxious, addicted, angry version is not. Hey, if you're dealing with something serious, get all the help you need, absolutely. But if you've already done the therapy, tried the meds, you're tired of all the distractions, you're still thinking, what am I missing? Why is everyone else just able to live? Then you're in the right place. I'm not special. I'm not wealthy. I'm just a guy who found peace through breathwork, music, and some unbelievable synchronicities, which I still can't really explain. All I do know is this: the anxiety that ruled my life for years is now gone. So here's my deal. I'll keep sharing that message, and if you're skeptical, push back. I don't mind. People are starving for something real. They want hope. They want backbone. And everything I say comes from doing this consistently. Now let's do something fun. I was working on Wish You Were Here, connecting dots in bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to try it again with the next part of that song. I want you to see that by taking things on in small chunks, you can build upon that and start to connect some of your own dots. More importantly, in my opinion, is that you can kind of kill two birds with one stone. You'll be finding stress relief while practicing guitar, all in one. When we find just a little piece of the riff, we repeat that. We connect it to our breath work, and that's how you unlock your inner musician and your inner calm, all at the same time.